Welcome to our channel United Coaching. Today we will discuss 25 biology questions. Our question is, how often can a person donate blood in a year? So answer is 4 times. The minimum interval between two donations should be 3 months. Our next question is, what are the benefits of regular blood donation? So answer is, being a regular blood donor may help with blood flow and reduce arterial blockages in case of high blood pressure patients. Also, high iron stores can increase a person's risk of heart attacks. That's why regular blood donation will help in reducing the high iron stores. So therefore, regular blood donation is beneficial for overall health of a person. Our next question is, which part of ear is cartilage? So answer is auricular cartilage. It is the outermost portion of the ear. The ear is primarily made of cartilage which is covered by the skin. The earlobe has no cartilage. It is made up of just skin and fat. Our next question is, which part of ear has bone? So answer is middle ear. The middle ear contains 3 tiny bones known as the ossicles, and they are named as malleus, incus and stapes. Now the ossicles were given Latin names based on their shapes. As you can see in the adjoining pictures, malleus is for hammer, incus for anvil and stapes for stirrup. Our next question is, name the nerve which carries messages from the brain to muscles, glands and organs of the body. So answer is motor nerve. Our next question is, what is the difference between nerve and neuron? So neurons are organized into bundle fibers called nerves. Our next question is, eruption of teeth in newborn babies starts at the age of, that is, 6 months. Primary teeth or milk teeth develop during the embryonic stage of development but erupt during infancy around 6 months after birth. Our next question is, heart attack is caused mainly due to, so answer is cholesterol. Heart attacks are a result of a plaque buildup inside the coronary arteries. Now plaque is primarily made up of cholesterol deposits. Our next question is, what is the biggest source of air pollution? So answer is the burning of fossil fuels. Now the sulfur dioxide emitted from the combustion of fossil fuels like petroleum and coal is one of the major cause of air pollution. Our next question is, alcoholic drinks contain which alcohol? So answer is ethyl alcohol or ethanol, and the formula is C2H5OH. Our next question is, other than dog, bite of which other animal can cause rabies? Now the thing is, most cases of rabies in humans start with an animal bite. If the animal has rabies virus in its saliva, the wound will also become infected with the virus. Once inside the body, the virus spreads quickly to the spinal cord and brain. So the virus can be transmitted from the bite of any rabid animal, that is cats, bats, mongooses, jackals, foxes, wolves or any other carnivorous animal. Our next question is, ductless glands are also known as, that is, endocrine glands. Our next question is, first vaccine produced by biotechnology was used against which virus? So answer is hepatitis B. Our next question is, turmeric is obtained from which part of the plant? So answer is stem. It is underground stem, also known as rhizome. Our next question is, Hansen's disease is also known as, so answer is leprosy. Question is, which gland is present in eyes? So answer is lacrimal gland. Our next question is, what are lacrimal secretions known as? So answer is tears. Our next question is, which is the largest gland in human body? So answer is liver. Our next question is, which is the smallest gland in human body? So answer is pituitary gland. Its size is 1 centimeter in diameter or size of a pea. Our next question is, which gland is also known as master gland? So answer is pituitary gland. It is called as master gland because it regulates the activities of all other endocrine glands. Question is, what is hypophysis in human body? So answer is pituitary gland. The term hypophysis means lying under in Greek. It refers to the pituitary gland's position in the brain, which is on the underside of the brain. The question is, which gas is used for making vegetable ghee or vanaspati ghee? So answer is hydrogen gas. Our next question is, what are the diseases caused by vegetable ghee? So answer is, vegetable ghee contains high amounts of trans fats. Now trans fats causes serious diseases like cardiac problems, liver diseases, hypertension, etc. Therefore vegetable ghee is considered extremely harmful for health. Our next question is, the flow of energy in the energy pyramid is always in which direction? So answer is upwards. The energy flows in the upward direction in the energy pyramid. Our next question is, which air pollutant is most harmful for living beings? So answer is particulate matter 2.5, that is PM 2.5, and it is the most harmful air pollutant. When inhaled, it causes heart disease, respiratory illnesses, and in some cases even lung cancer.